Today, Manhattan Country School gathered for its annual Winter Assembly. This is a time when we celebrate light at a time when the days are shorter and winter is coming, and we really appreciate the opportunity to be together. We know that there's a lot of darkness in the world right now, and our ability to come together as a school family reminds us that we have each other to lean upon. The children sang songs. We have a lot of traditions in this assembly that we sing every year, and it's always a joy to come back to those. And we left everyone with well wishes and warm wishes for a restful break. We're excited to see everyone again in January in the new year.